Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We are Emma and Harry.
And we help you practice English through calm, real-life conversations.
And today we're going to talk about get, part 2. We're going deeper into this tiny word that can totally change how natural your English sounds.
So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let your English feel simple today.
And let's start today's conversation about get in real-life English.
Hey,
Hey, you made it!
barely.
That means it was a week.
Yeah, the kind of week where you keep thinking, how did I even get through that?
That's already perfect.
What?
Get through. You just used it naturally.
See, this is why I like talking with you. You catch the English and the feeling.
Because they're connected.
They really are. This cafe feels calmer than usual today.
It does. Like the air is softer.
And it's not too loud.
Which means my brain can finally get quiet.
Get quiet is another one.
You're collecting them like little souvenirs.
I'm collecting the real ones, the ones people actually say.
Okay, then let's do it. Let's go deeper into get.
Part 2 energy.
Not grammar book energy.
Real life energy.
Feelings first.
And then English. Can I confess something?
Please.
Get is the word I use the most, but I still don't feel confident explaining it
That's normal.
because it's everywhere.
It's like air.
Exactly. You don't notice it until someone asks you to define it.
So today we're not defining it.
We're using it
In moments that feel real.
because that's where get lives.
Okay, start with a real moment from your week.
All right. I had a meeting that went badly.
What happened?
I didn't get my point across.
Pause. That's a big one.
Get my point across.
It means you couldn't communicate clearly.
Yeah, I was talking, but it wasn't landing.
And how did that feel?
Honestly, I felt small.
That's real.
And then after the meeting, I couldn't get it out of my head.
Get it out of my head.
I kept replaying every sentence.
Like your mind was stuck.
Exactly. I got stuck in a loop.
Get stuck is so common.
And it's not just physical,
It's mental.
emotional too.
Yes.
Like, you can get stuck in regret
Or get stuck comparing yourself.
or get stuck thinking you're behind.
Okay, that's already a lesson.
Which one?
Get stuck plus a noun. Get stuck in traffic. Get stuck in my head. Get stuck in a loop.
And the feeling is the same.
You can't move forward.
Right.
Now tell me what you did next.
I tried to distract myself.
Did it work?
Not at first.
What finally helped?
I went for a walk.
And?
I started to get my energy back.
That one is so useful.
Get my energy back.
After a hard week,
After bad sleep.
after being sick.
Exactly.
So get back can mean return.
Return to myself.
That's beautiful.
But it took time.
Say that with get.
It took me time to get back to normal.
Perfect.
And I'm still not fully there.
That's okay.
I'm getting there.
I'm getting there. Another real one.
It means I'm making progress,
Slow progress still counts.
especially when you're recovering
From stress,
from burnout.
from heartbreak.
Yeah,
Get over is waiting for us,
it is.
and people use it wrong sometimes.
Like I get over it?
Or they try to use it too fast.
Because get over sounds like a switch.
But it's a process.
You don't just get over something in one night.
You get through it first.
Wow.
That's the order.
Get through first, then get over.
Exactly.
Okay, let's teach that clearly.
Let's do it with a small story.
Okay.
Imagine I had a really rough week.
You did.
I did.
You seemed quieter than usual.
I was trying to keep it together.
There it is.
What?
Keep it together.
Another phrase that matches get.
How?
Because when you can't keep it together, you're trying to get yourself together.
That is so true. Get yourself together.
It means calm down, focus, regain control.
Yes,
And it sounds natural.
because it is.
Okay, so what happened in your week? I felt like I was letting myself down.
Why?
Because I made promises to myself and I didn't keep them.
Like routines?
Like boundaries.
That's heavier.
It is.
What kind of boundaries?
Saying yes when I wanted to say no.
That feeling is exhausting.
And then I got annoyed with myself.
Get annoyed.
Yes, I got annoyed, I got frustrated, I got overwhelmed.
That's a whole family.
Get plus emotion.
Get nervous.
Get excited.
Get angry.
Get embarrassed.
Ooh, get embarrassed is painfully real.
Especially in English.
Like when someone says something fast and you don't understand.
And you pretend you do.
And then you get embarrassed later.
Yes.
Okay, let's make a clean listen for that.
Quick list, but still conversational.
All right.
This week, I got overwhelmed.
I got anxious.
I got frustrated.
I got tired.
I got quiet.
I got in my head.
Get in your head is very natural.
It means you overthink.
And then you stop acting.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's switch to one of the most important get meanings.
Get it.
Yes.
The moment when you understand.
Or the moment when you don't.
I didn't get what he meant.
That's so common.
Can we do a tiny role play?
Yes, make it real life awkward.
Okay. Imagine we're in a meeting.
Okay.
Someone says we need to pivot,
And I nod like I understand.
but you don't get it.
I don't get it.
What do you say, politely?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure I get what you mean.
Perfect.
Can you explain that a bit?
Even better.
Or can you walk me through it?
That one sounds very natural at work.
Walk me through it means explain step by step.
Great.
Now the opposite.
When you finally understand,
Yes.
what do you say?
Oh, I get it now.
Or, okay, I got it.
And I got you is different.
Right. That means I understand you, or I'll help you.
It's warmer.
Like, don't worry, I got you.
Exactly.
That's a good emotional line.
And it's real English.
Okay, next big one. Get to,
Like get to do something.
which means you have the chance.
Or the privilege.
I get to spend time with you today.
That's sweet.
And it's true.
That's why it lands.
Because it's not a vocabulary example.
It's a real sentence.
Okay, let's connect it to the viewer.
Yes.
You get to practice English today.
And you don't have to do it perfectly.
You just have to show up.
Okay, now I want to bring in a deeper get that people love.
Which one?
Get used to.
Oh, yeah.
Because it describes real life.
Especially when life changes.
New city.
New job.
New relationship.
New routine.
And you say, I'm still getting used to it.
That sentence carries patience
And honesty.
and softness.
Exactly.
Can we make it personal?
Please.
I'm still getting used to being someone who rests.
Wow.
Because I used to feel guilty resting.
That is so real.
I'm trying to get used to slowing down.
That's not just English, that's healing.
It is.
And it's exactly why this channel works.
Because the language matches the life.
Okay, your turn.
Mine was big.
Mine is smaller, but honest. I'm getting used to saying no without explaining.
That's powerful.
Because I used to try to get everyone to understand me.
Get someone to is another key structure.
Yes.
I can't get him to listen.
I can't get myself to start.
That one hurts.
It does.
I can't get myself to means you can't make yourself do it.
Like when you're stuck.
Or overwhelmed.
Or tired in your soul.
Okay, I want to pause and give viewers a mini practice moment.
Do it.
Repeat after me, but say it like it's your real life.
Not like a robot.
I'm trying to get back on track.
I'm trying to get back on track.
I'm still getting used to it.
I'm still getting used to it.
I can't get it out of my head.
I can't get it out of my head.
I didn't get my point across.
I didn't get my point across.
Okay, now we go deeper.
Story deeper?
Relationship deeper.
Okay.
Because get along is a get people need.
Yes.
You don't just learn it.
You live it.
Exactly.
Do you get along with your coworkers?
Do you get along with your family?
We used to not get along, but we're better now.
That's a real sentence.
And it's hopeful.
Okay, can I tell a small truth?
Always.
When I'm stressed, I don't get along with myself.
Oh,
Like my mind becomes my enemy.
that's very honest.
And I start thinking I should be different,
Faster.
better,
More disciplined.
more confident.
And then you don't get any peace.
Exactly. Here's a gentle get for that.
Tell me.
I need to get out of my own way.
Wow. It means stop blocking yourself.
That's so good.
And it's common,
Okay, let's hold that.
because we're going to use it in the next part.
Yes,
And we're going to teach get over properly,
with feelings.
not with fake positivity.
And we'll show the difference between get over it and I'm still getting over it.
And how to say it kindly to someone else.
Okay,
Quick cliffhanger question.
go.
What's one thing you're still getting over?
I know the answer.
Say it softly.
I'm still getting over the version of me who thought I had to prove something all the time.
That's big.
And it's real.
Okay, stay with us.
In the next part, we'll turn that into English you can actually use today.
Let's stay with that feeling for a moment.
Which one?
The feeling of getting over something, slowly,
Because that's how it really happens.
not suddenly,
Not after one good day,
but little by little.
day by day.
Sentence by sentence, too.
That's a nice way to put it.
When people say, just get over it, it sounds harsh
Like they're rushing you.
or dismissing what you feel.
But I'm still getting over it sounds honest.
And human,
It gives you space.
and time.
Let's show the difference clearly.
Okay, 2 versions.
Version 1,
Get over it.
short, sharp.
Not very kind.
Version 2,
I'm still getting over it.
softer
More patient.
and more realistic.
Exactly.
Now let's put it into a real situation.
A personal one.
Of course.
Imagine someone asks you, are you okay now?
And you're not really.
But you don't want to overshare.
You can say, I'm getting there.
Or I'm still getting over it.
Both are honest.
And calm.
That's the style we want.
Calm English.
Real English.
Okay, let's move to another powerful one.
Get through.
Yes, because life gives you things you don't choose.
Stress.
Pressure.
Loss.
Big changes.
And you don't fix them.
You get through them.
Say that again.
You don't fix everything. You get through things.
That sentence alone is a lesson.
Let's make it practical.
Okay?
How did you get through that week?
Honestly, I just focused on one day at a time.
That's such a natural answer.
And it's true.
Another one.
I don't know how I got through it, but I did.
That sentence is emotional.
Because it shows survival, not success.
Exactly.
Okay, now, get out of.
Like, get out of bed.
Or get out of a bad habit.
That one is huge.
Because habits are hard.
And change is uncomfortable.
You don't break habits.
You get out of them.
Slowly.
With awareness.
And patience.
Let's say it naturally.
I'm trying to get out of a bad routine.
I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone.
That one is very common.
And very honest.
Because it's uncomfortable.
But necessary.
Okay, here's another get people hear all the time.
Get into.
Yes.
Get into a habit.
Get into trouble.
Get into a relationship.
That one changes your life.
It does.
And notice something.
What?
Get into often sounds like it happens gradually.
Not suddenly.
You don't plan it.
You find yourself there.
I got into overthinking.
That's a very real sentence.
Or I got into comparing myself.
And then it's hard to stop.
Which brings us back to get out of.
Yes.
You get into something.
And later you try to get out of it.
That's life.
And that's English.
Okay, I want to talk about get along.
Relationships.
Always important.
Especially for learners.
Because they want to sound polite.
And natural.
Do you get along with your coworkers?
We get along pretty well.
We don't always agree, but we get along.
That sentence is mature.
It shows balance.
And emotional intelligence.
Now, a tricky one.
Go on.
Get on versus get along.
Good point.
Get on is more British,
Get along is more universal.
but both mean the same thing.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's slow down again.
I like when we slow down.
Me too.
It gives space for meaning.
I want to ask you something real.
Okay.
What are you still getting used to right now?
Honestly,
Always honestly.
I'm still getting used to not rushing myself.
That's hard.
Especially when everyone else seems fast
Or ahead.
or confident.
Comparison again.
Yes.
And how do you talk to yourself when that happens?
I try to say, it's okay, I'll get there.
That sentence is gentle
And powerful.
because it trusts the process.
Exactly.
Let's give that to the viewer.
Yes.
I'll get there.
You'll get there.
Simple.
Encouraging.
And very human.
Okay, one last cluster of get.
The quiet ones.
The internal ones.
Get a feeling.
Get the sense that
Get the impression.
those are advanced but natural.
Example.
I get the feeling you're tired.
Or, I get the sense something's wrong.
That's how people speak with care.
Not direct.
Not aggressive.
Soft.
Observant.
Okay, I think we've gone deep enough.
Deep but still usable.
That's the goal.
Before we close part 2, one question for the viewer.
A real one.
What are you trying to get through right now?
And what are you slowly getting used to?
You don't need to answer perfectly.
Just honestly.
In English.
One sentence is enough.
So that's it for today's lesson on get, part 2.
We went deeper into how get lives inside real conversations,
Not as grammar,
but as experience,
as feeling.
as life.
If today's lesson helped you even a little,
Try using just one sentence today.
I'm getting there.
I'm still getting used to it.
Or I'm trying to get through this week.
Small sentences can carry big meaning.
Thank you for staying with us until the end.
We really appreciate you learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe to Daily English Talk for more calm, real-life English conversations.
Take care of yourself.
And remember, you'll get there.